Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day. I'm Fatima Ibabaw, 37 years old, and I live in Mary Homes, Bacoor, Cavite. And I'm the youngest of the three in our family, and I'm a graduate of BS in nursing here in the Philippines.
Okay, are you a registered nurse
No, mom. Actually, I'm under board
right now?
right now.
Are you married?
No, mom. I'm a single.
Do you have
At the age
children?
of 37. No, mom. I'm still single and no children.
No children. Just in case we have employer for you now and they wanted to know if it's okay, sometimes no day off for a week or even for a month due to some hectic schedule of their work. Is it okay for you?
Yes, mom, it's okay for me because my employer will not will not let me to have my day off if it is not important for them. So that I can spend or save my money without day off.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experience?
My work experience began after my college graduate. Then when I have my employer, a 96 years old woman, a diabetic patient. My duties for her is to take care for her and have feeding and also bathing and giving her a medicine as prescribed by her doctor.
Okay. Do you have also any related experience as domestic helper or as a housemaid, like cleaning the house and cooking and...
Yes, mom, I do have experience at home because when my father died, I was left with my mother, so I have to take care of the home and do the duties at home as all the chores.
All the chores around the house. Okay. Can you handle taking care of naughty children?
Yes, mom, because I'm also fond of a children, especially the naughty ones, and based on my experience on our children, maybe
Your nephews
the
and your...
nephews, like my nephews, which is 2 years old, I can handle them.
Okay. Do you know some children's songs?
Yes, mom.
Okay.
One of them is I have two hands. I have two hands, the left and the right.
Okay,
so
can you
clean and
sing?
bright. Okay,
Can you
I have
sing?
two hands, the left and the right, so clean and bright. I'm too close, they played me. 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What
I know
kind
how
of
to
foods can you cook?
Actually, I know how to cook Filipino dishes, but with these Hong Kong dishes, I'm willing to learn how to cook it.
Okay. Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn this Chinese language?
Yes, ma'am. I know. I'm really willing and eager to know Cantonese languages because so that I can also understand my employer.
Yes, okay. Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Newborn baby is delicate to take care, but based on the maybe of the experience with my nephew, I can take care of them.
And you are also a nurse.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Also,
Being my experience in
nursery.
in nursery, I can take care of them.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Based on my knowledge that Hong Kong domestic helper have good salary, I can save my money and to help my family and also to myself in the future.
Okay. Would you like to say anything else to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am. If you choose me as your domestic helper, I promise to be hard worker, respectable, and obedient and trustworthy with you. And also, I promise to finish my 2-year contract with you, and also I can obey and respect all your family members. So that's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.